This video will demonstrate how to view and manage dependency risks in SonarQube for VS Code. You'll need to be in connected mode to SonarQube Cloud or Server and have an Advanced Security subscription. Okay, let's head to VS Code, and I'm already in connected mode with my project bound to a SonarQube Cloud project. If I head to my SonarQube panel, I can see all the dependency risk findings that are synchronized for this project from SonarQube. I'm shown both vulnerabilities and prohibited licenses. Now, here's the best part. I don't need to go hunting for details. I just click on the risk and I'm taken straight to the issue in SonarQube. Here I get the full description and also detailed remediation guidance. And crucially, I can see if my code is actually impacted by this vulnerability. From here, I can either go fix the issue in my IDE, commit my code and rerun the analysis, or in this case, I've investigated and confirmed our code doesn't use the vulnerable part. So I'll change its status to safe and add a quick comment and save. And this updates the status for the whole team. This status is then reflected back in SonarQube Cloud. For more details, check out the SonarQube documentation linked below. Happy coding!